Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will continue about hands-on lab on AWS General Immersion Day. Right now, we will do hands-on lab about monitoring Amazon Cloudwatch. Amazon Cloudwatch is a monitoring and observability service built for DevOps engineer, developers, site reliability engineers, and IT managers. CloudWatch provides us with data and actionable insight to monitor our application, respond to system-wide performance change, optimize resource utilization, and get unified view of operational health. So it will monitor our infrastructure or our resources on AWS. Okay, we will go to the lab. Okay, this is it, Amazon Cloudwatch hands-on lab. So in this lab, we will do this overview. In this lab, we will utilize CloudWatch to track EC2 CPU utilization and set up alarm based on configured threshold. The alarm will trigger a simple notification service, SNS notification. In this hands-on lab, it's broken into the following parts. Number one is we create simple notification service topic. Number two, launch an Elastic Compute Cloud or EC2 instance. And the last one is configure CloudWatch alarm. Okay, we hit next to parts number one. We will create simple notification service topic. First, we will set up a topic for notification our email. I have logged into my AWS account. We go to SNS, simple notification service. We'll create topic. We will choose standard. I name it with my name. Okay, we left another setting as it is and we hit create topic. Okay, our topic is successfully created. Now we need to create subscription. This one, create subscription. We use email. I think we use email and I need to enter my email address. And create subscription. Subscription to Henry topic created successfully. Okay. A verification email will send to our email address. Okay. I just check my email. Hold on. Okay, we got our email and we click confirm subscription. Okay, subscription confirmed. You can check on subscription again. You can see my email address. This is the second one is from the last tutorial. I tried myself. We just delete it. Okay, we just confirm the email subscription. Okay, we move to part number 2. We will launch an instance on EC2. We need to enter the user data. Okay, we go to EC2 instance. We'll launch instance. Henry server, Amazon Linux X IT Okay, we use micro. Keeper, we don't use. We use our training key. Allow SSH traffic from anywhere. And we click on advanced detail, and we need to add on user data on this one. We need to add this one. So basically we will create script to simulate hits on our instance. The test script will run workload generator stress designed to subject a system to configure measure of our CPU. We configure stress to spawn one worker with a timeout of 300 billion microsecond or 5 minutes for 30 minutes. Okay, we just copy the user data to this user data optional. We want to one instance. Oh, this is without key pairs. Can back again. Change. We don't use key pair. So this is the summary. One instance, Amazon Linux, 2 micro, new security group, storage 8 GB, and we have user data, launch instance. Okay. It's still pending. We go back again. Launch instance. Okay, we move to part number 3. Configure a cloud alarm. In EC2, we action, monitor, and troubleshoot. Action, monitor, and troubleshoot. Manage CloudWatch alarm. Manage detail monitoring. We back again. Check. Monitor and troubleshoot. Manage detail monitoring. We need to check detail monitoring and confirm. Okay, instant, you need to copy the instant ID. This one. And we go to the second, manage CloudWatch. Action, monitor and troubleshoot, manage CloudWatch alarm. Create alarm. Select our SNS, which is Henry topic. And we want to set above 60% of CPU. Wait period 1 for 5 minutes. And we will create. Okay. We go back again to our instance, this one. Next, we will go to CloudWatch service. From this one, I have bookmark right here, but we can search on this one, CloudWatch. And we can see our recent alarm. You can also click alarm and all alarm. And this is the newest one that we just created. We see metric, all metric. Enter our instance ID. This is it. And we click on CPU utilization. You can see there is one alarm. We need to click CPU utilization. Okay. This one. No, we just click crop metric. Oh, this is the, we need to set on 30 minutes or set to 15 minutes. It's still right here. We need to wait 5 minutes. The stress tool that we have installed on user data will simulate CPU workload and will trigger the alarm. We refresh. We'll start to see the spike. Looks like our CPU start to rise. Oh, we need to check this to more. Okay, sorry. We need to increase the period. You can see it's 100%. You can check a new tab on our alarm. Okay, you can see that our alarm is triggered about 1 minute ago. We can check on our email. Okay, we got message that you are receiving this email because your Amazon CloudWatch, this CloudWatch alarm has been triggered. Okay, it means that our CPU utilization is above 60% in 1 minute. Think we have successfully do hands-on lab about Amazon CloudWatch to monitor our EC2 instance CPU utilization. Okay, the last one is clean up our resources. We go to alarm, all alarm, we can delete this. Delete and terminate our EC2 instance. Action, instance state, terminate instance. And delete our SNS notification. We delete our latest one. Delete me. Okay, delete. Okay, that's it. How we monitor our EC2 instance with Amazon CloudWatch and sends SNS notification to our email address. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.